So today I'm going to show you how to make cheese on toast. I've got a variety of different cheeses here, some grated, slices and some chopped up from a block. Got my bread of my choice. I usually go for seeded farmhouse. You can use a baking tray or you can align your shelf with foil and cook it straight on that. I've got my grill setting and the shelf really high to the top. So the first thing you want to do is get your bread and lightly toast on one side. Don't leave your bread unattended or it's gonna get overcooked and burnt. You've got to keep an eye on this, guys. I'm gonna lower the temperature a little and just put that in there. Okay, gonna keep an eye on that. Problem with seeded bread is look what happens. So I've been checking it regularly and that's lightly cooked over here. Now just gonna turn it over each one. So this is the benefit of working on the shelf. You can just pull the shelf out. If you're on a tray, you take the tray out and imagine this is your tray. Now we've got the different types of cheese here. So one, you want to coat the whole bread with your cheese. And I would say recommend maybe lowering your temperature now because now the grill has warmed up. If you don't have a grater and you're going for slices or chopped, just get plenty on there. I'm gonna break one up and actually even put it like that. So you got the slices, put them on. So there's our three different variations: grated, chopped, slices. Now my grill is heated up a bit too much, so I'm gonna go one shelf lower just to be on the safe side. I want to cook it in a medium and I don't want it to cook too quickly and burn. Show you these once they're done. So guys, I've been checking the cheese on toast regularly. Here we are. Sometimes I go for a more golden color, but I think these are absolutely fine. Just take them out and show you. Put one there. So that was the grated one. That was the chopped one. This is the slices. Okay guys, so here we are. Cheese on toast. Now what could you have with this? You could have it with some condiments, sauces and dips. Also really nice with things like pickle and so on. This shows you how to make cheese on toast. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on another video real soon. Bye for now.